to crochet and handcraft. If this is your first time, my name is Anisa. Today you will learn how to make this beautiful hair clip heart, these small heart. First we make these small hearts, then we will join this in this with glue gun. So in this I am using this red color 5 play mill cotton yarn. We need this Accessories hair clip. In this I am using the size is 4 millimeter. Also we need a scissor and a needle. First you have need to make red heart. So first we make these 3 hearts. So guys, carve this yarn and yarn over in this way. Pull this out, insert the hook into this loop and yarn or pull through this up. We make a magic ring now. In this, now we start from the 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through up, yarn over, pull through these 2 loops. Now more these 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through up, make this double crochet. Again we make a double crochet, yarn over. Now we make a half double crochet, yarn over, pull through up, yarn over, pull through these 3 loops. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through up, make this half double crochet. Now we do a third one, make half double crochet. After this, first we make 3 chains, then we make 3 times half double crochet, then we make 3 times half double crochet. After this, make chain 1, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull through up, yarn over, pull through these 2 loops. Now more these 2 loops. After that, chain 1, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through up, make half double crochet. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull through up, make a half double crochet. Again make a half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through up, yarn over, pull through these 2 loops. Now more 2 loops. Now make 2 more double crochet. After this, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through up. Now we do is that make a slip stitch over there. Now chain 1, cut this yarn. So after this, leave this yarn, pull this up and close the magic ring. Close this magic ring tightly and also this yarn. Now secure these yarns. Also secure this in this way. So we done two, make third one, then we will meet. So guys, my glue gun is ready. So in this I am using this three hearts for joining. For this, maybe it's glue from this, so I am sticking in this point in this way, so I can use this in this point. Put this third heart and press this. Let it go. So guys, this is little bit I needed more. In this point I am adding, press it. So guys, this is ready to use. Leave this and put these out. I hope so you love this, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Still connected with me for more interesting videos. Thank you. Bye bye.